This will be just a normal everyday shave. Merkur 34C feather blade. Let's install the blade. Ready. Taylor of Old Bond Street, Tobbs Shaving Cream. I'm down to the end. This may be the last shave with this jar. Parasso Omega shaving brush. Warm up the face. Hydrate those whiskers. Remove the cap. Wet the brush. Swirl. Load the tips. Don't need that much. Right to the beard. Circular. Paint. Dab. Add water sparingly. If it's a little bit thick. Cover all the areas you intend to shave. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways. Merkur 34C, made in Germany. The workhorse of the industry, I like to call it. Cut the sideburn. One side filled, flip it. Both sides filled, rinse. Cut the other sideburn. Flip it. Rinse. Upper lip. Rinse the face. Feel around. If you feel smooth enough, you're done. I like to go one more time. Another pass is what it's called. It's all about progressive beard reduction. You remove a little bit more of the beard with each pass. First pass was north to south with the grain. Now we'll go across the grain. Across the direction of the beard growth. Backhand. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Across the upper lip. First with the corner under the nose, then lay it flat. Rinse. Feel around. If you missed any spots, you can just go in, do a quick buffing. Like so. We are good. Do a final cold water rinse to the face. Take your Shave Nation wide stick alum block, remove the cap under the cold water. Glide that all around the areas you shaved. It will seal off any little nicks if you got any, or weepers. It's also an astringent. Tightens the skin. Excellent finish to the shave. Cap it off, set that down. Let that soak into your skin for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Apply your favorite aftershave. A balm like this will give you protection throughout the day. You can do the forehead too. If you break out, refrain from applying it to the forehead. Baby smooth. Spend a few minutes in the morning, start your day off right, get your shave on, your baby smooth, you're looking good, you're feeling good, you're ready to conquer the world. Have a great shave, have a great day.